If you have an annoying headliner rattle in your Model 3, you might have the same problem I had. There were two broken clips in the headliner that were rattling around. I'm using my bore scope to peek underneath the headliner, and as you can see, there's a black piece of plastic there rattling. It may have broken off when I had a windshield replaced. I pulled the leading edge of the headliner down and just kept tapping the headliner until the plastic piece fell into my hand. It might help to park the car downhill in the driveway. The rattles weren't completely gone, there was still one more piece. I was able to tap the headliner and locate where the rattle was. I reached up and pulled out another broken piece of plastic. This is what my two broken pieces look like, and it looks like those are the clips that hold the wire harness in for the windshield mounted camera. I suspect when the windshield was replaced, those clips got broken and just fell into the headliner. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again for watching.